wild girl running by my side. Her hair was a rusty red all around her face. But that was long ago, and so much time has taken place. And now she ain't nothing but time. But when I see the red rocks on the mountain after rain, or see the red deer running in the brush just after dawn, like streaks of sunset red, her hair is hanging in the sky. And then she ain't nothing but time. And her eyes were leopard green, and they burn within her smile. They almost spoke her mind without a move. But now those eyes are closed and have faded from my sight. And now she ain't nothing but time. But when I see the sunlight shining through the leaves, or see the mountain waters where they meet the sea, like the green within a rainbow, her eyes are shining up at me. And then she ain't nothing but time. And her laughter was so light, it danced upon her breath, and the lips from whence it came are very red. But now her smile has gone, and I hear no more her sound. And now she ain't nothing but time. But when I hear the laughter around a jangling country fair, or hear a penny whistler in a merry market square, in a field of twilight children, her face is laughing up at me. And then she ain't nothing but time. And her skin was velvet soft, and her limbs were lean and brown, and tender were her words at midnight rest. But now I no longer feel her warmth and slenderness, and now she ain't nothing but time. But when I touch the mosses of satin on a tree, or feel the surging waters swimming naked in the sea, like the wind that cries in the night, I hear her sigh under my breast. And then she sure ain't nothing but time. Well, once there was a wild girl running by my side. Her hair was a rusty red all around her face. But that was long ago, and so much time has taken place. And now she ain't nothing but time.